Hey guys, what's going on? This is Matthew Taman with Taman Inc. And today I got a few moments so I wanted to show you how to set up a Google Webmasters account. I have a lot of people asking me questions, my site's having errors here and my SEO ranking is this and a whole bunch of other stuff is going on with it. So what this is going to show you how to set up your Webmasters account so you can check those errors and fix some of those. So just go to google.com and just type in the Webmasters tool, and once you've logged in or created your account, you get a page like this. You notice right you see this add a site. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on add a site, and then you get this add a site URL. So I'm just going to put in okay and click continue. Next you get this HTML file that you have to download. Now what this does is it's a verification so that Google can verify that this site actually belongs to you. And there's actually two methods that you can do this. The first method is, which is the recommended method, is you can download the file and upload it to your server. Or here's another alternative method that you get HTML tag. And so for now I'm just going to stick with this method which I always use. So I am going to click on download this. So save, and you can save this anywhere on your computer. So for now I'm just going to save it over on this section, save. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do is you want to open up an FTP, which is File Transfer Protocol. This is how you can transfer information or transfer stuff from your hard drive to your website or vice versa. So I'm using FileZilla, and it's a great FTP software that it's free. So you can just go to Google and just type in FileZilla, and you just go to their website and just download it from there. So once you've downloaded it, it's going to ask you for your host, username, password, and port. Now I've already put this information here, so I have different sites here that I've filled out already. So I'm already connected, but normally for the host is your website name, so whatever your website name it is, .com, .net, .org, and then the username for that site. If you don't have this information, just contact your hosting provider and they'll be happy to give this to you. But for now I have this saved on here, so I'm just going to click on that. And if you notice, it automatically populates. I'm logged into my site server right now. So let me make this bigger. Okay, so what you see here is the left column. This is your desktop. This is where all the files on your computer is stored. And the right side, this is where all the files on your server is stored. Now normally if you have a C panel, you would usually go to the public underscore HTML file, which is this one. So if you have multiple sites, of course, then you want to make sure that you put that on the right one. But for now, I'm focusing on putting that, downloading the verification just on the main domain. So I just have to locate where I downloaded the stuff from Google. Okay, as you can see here, here's the file that I downloaded, this file. Okay, so I've downloaded my computer. Now I just have to upload it to my server. So what I do, all that I have to do at this point is just drag this. You drag it and you just drop it in the public underscore HTML. Now this might be different based on the type of server that you have, but generally most servers usually have this format. So I drop it in there and that's it. So now if I come here on this page back to Google and I click verify, congratulations, you get the success message that everything was done completed. So that's how you do that. Then the next phase is it lets you see, it takes about a couple days or so for you to be able to start retrieving some data, but just to show you how important this tool is, I'm just going to pull up one of the sites that I have here. Okay, now this is one of the sites, and the great thing about Webmaster is that you can be able to configure, change things, the settings, and which I'm going to go over that in a different tutorial. But I just want you to get an overview for how this works. So if your site, if the search engines like Googlebot can crawl your website, you get a message here. For example, this site, you don't have this error that has to be fixed. Cross stats and configurations and traffic and all that data. So, but I just wanted you to have an idea. This is a great tool. If you have a website, you definitely need to have some type of analytics or tracking software, whether it's Google or Compete or whatever it is, that you can analyze your data and see what you have to fix, what you can tweak, what you can improve on, and what's working, what's not really working. So I hope this helps someone. All right, talk to you later. Bye.